74-75 season for one of these clubs. The victor takes the first round, 2 games to 1, and then goes on to round number 2. And now there are still several possibilities as to who the winner here tonight. Goes wide, on the rebound, Westfall keeps it alive, slips to the corner, in front of Bruin, picks off the play by Kretschner, and the run picks up the ball from Buck. The hit to the right wing, quick return of center, he's on the line, and the Scotty shoots a high drive, and a third juggle and hurt on by goaltender Billy Smith. The face-off coming up now. The right side of the 2 minutes, 12 seconds remaining. Period.
Short-handed goal to go ahead, 3-2. I made a mistake, man. That's a 4 situation, not a 4-on-2. With the on Butler, and protecting Butler and Hughes. So the Wolves got for 7 minutes. On the face-off in center. Around the man and that is still bad control. Overskate to the far side. Westfall and Westfall 2 points right now. Mark is back forward now. Once by Henner. Mark circles in his own end. Henner goes to Middleton. Comes back the other way. Sends third. And Lee Purcell. McCullough up to the out of the line. Looks to flip it. Sends it away. Marshall looks to right there. He loses on a post check to Dennis Potvin. And Potvin clears it all the way down. Dennis Potvin has really taken over this game. Goal by Potvin, short-handed from Henning at 12:51. Last 2.